Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. If you guys are not new, welcome back. My name is Quintara and today I am going to be unboxing the Cricut Explore Air 2, y'all. I am so excited. I am actually starting my own business called the Mom Life Apparel that will be launching October 1st. I will have hoodies, t-shirts, sweatshirts, baby onesies, masks, clothes for people who are not mothers, a lot of good stuff coming. So go ahead and make sure you're subscribed and turn on that bell notification so you guys are notified to keep up with my business and me and my family as well. In addition to ordering the Cricut Explore Air 2, I also ordered the Essential Bundles kit that came with it. That will actually be here tomorrow, so when that comes in, I'll film that section and it's added to this video. So you'll probably see me at the end of this video with like a different outfit going over the bundles kit, but that's just because I got it 2 separate days and I was too excited to just wait till tomorrow to open it. So that's why I'm doing this one today, and then I'll do that part tomorrow. But alright guys, enough talking, let's go ahead and open this sucker up. And also y'all, this literally just came in the mail. I literally just went ahead and grabbed it and got my camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down because coronavirus is real and I have a baby in the house, so Lysol is needed for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down. Because if y'all think about it, you know how many things touch, not things, but you know how many people touch this and how many hands it goes down. So I'm gonna spray it just because it's probably been all over the world. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this sucker up. Alright guys, here it is. I am so excited. This thing looks huge. Like, I can't even like hug my arms around it. Let me go ahead and open it up. Yeah, ever since I ordered this, I've been on YouTube just looking at like Cricut videos and so many like hacks with Cricut. Yeah, I'm so excited with my business. I've been doing so much research, buying all these things. Oh yay! So the first thing I see is this board. This is the light grip board. And it does have this little cover, this clear cover on it to protect it. So yep, I have the light grip one. Alright. Has these things next to it. This one, so that way. Alright, and it does have this little kit that says let's get started. If you guys can see it. But I'm pretty sure it's like the instruction manual and everything you guys need to know. I'll go over this after I grab this out. Alrighty, so here it is. I have this cute little sticker on it. It says, you guys can see it. It says, keep it new, reuse this bag. It's not humongous. It is kind of big, but I feel like it still fit in areas. You do have all the cords. And then you do have the Cricut pen. Let's throw this out. Now I am going to go ahead and put this bad boy right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Ooh, fancy, fancy. Uh-oh. Alrighty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Wow, fancy. Alright. I'm going to take all these little protective things off, the plastic. Get that off. And then there is another one on this side, as you guys can see. Let me go ahead and take that off. Alright. Get off closer look. That is that. Alright, and there's like a little remove for here, so I will go ahead and remove that. I wonder if it'll open if not even like plugged into anything. Let's see. Oh snap, yeah, look at it. Okay, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. And it has this little styrofoam to protect it. Oh, y'all, I'm so excited. These are little storage areas. Yeah, this is really nice, like on the inside. This is like really nice on the inside. Let me see if I can show you guys. It is so shiny and so new. Like, you see it? It has like Cricut right here. And it's just so nice. And it's so shiny because it is new, y'all. Next, let me go ahead and go to the Let's Get Started. Yeah, everything I buy, I literally read the directions for. So they give you a sample of cardstock paper. They also give you some more cardstock paper. They also give you another piece of paper. And then it's like the welcome, where it tells you instructional videos, tutorials, and troubleshooting. And this is like the owner's manual. Talks about the fonts, different projects you can do, the blades, the pens, the mats. That's pretty good. Also does say about the warranty. I'm pretty sure it's a 1-year warranty like everyone else does. Yeah, this one has a 1-year warranty. Alright, so I scooted up a little bit. So this is the little Let's Get Started. This is the Let's Get Started. So I'm gonna take these out. So for number 1, it does say Unleash Dispute. So it says plug in and power on your fabulous new Cricut machine. Then it says go to Cricut.com/setup. Doing this setup will make practice project with materials in the box. Also, these materials are for you to make a sample project on the software when you download it. Okay. And then it says bookmark this page, and you'll find every resource you need to master your new machine. So Cricut.com/create, they said to bookmark that so you can get all the resources you need. So first things first, I am going to plug it in. Alright. There are some cords here. So there are 2 cords. There is the one you plug into the wall and the one you plug into your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and plug those in. Alright guys, so this is pretty much part 1 of the video. This is just me unboxing my Cricut Explorer Air 2. The mint color. I actually got this for a really good deal. I got this and the essential bundles that will be after this. I got all that for $227, I believe. It was having a sale, so it was a really good deal. And it had free shipping, so I'm super excited about that. I would do a separate project for you guys, but I've never used a Cricut a day in my life. Me trying to make a video showing you guys how to use a Cricut when I've never used one or ever made a project in my life. It seems kind of crazy because I would not know what I'm talking about. So I'll just go play around with myself. And then maybe later on the channel, I will show you guys how I do certain things on my Cricut. But right now, I don't know how to do anything on here. I'm just going to be playing around with it and figuring it out. So that's why I'm not going to do actual like crafts with you guys today. But yeah, so that wraps up the first part of this video. The next clip you will see will be me unboxing the essentials bundle, which is some more mats. I believe I have like the different tools and some other stuff in there. So I'll be unboxing that right after this. But enough talking, let's go ahead and get into the next clip. Alright guys, I am back. I am here to do the second part of the video. I filmed the first part about a couple days ago. I'm saying like 2-3 days ago. And I'm back now to film the second part. And my son is here, so I'm sorry ahead of time. Alright guys, if you guys did not know, this is my son Zakai. You guys should know him. He's like usually in every single video I make. Ain't that right, Stinky? So I'm in all my mommy's videos. Let's go sit down. Alright, so show him this Kai. We got the Candy Shop pen set from Cricut Explorer. Let me guys see. This is it. You wanna show them, Stinky? Yeah. So we got total of 5 pins in here. Okay, let's this next thing. So next we do have the Cricut basic tool set. So this comes with the spatula, the weeder, the scraper, the scissors, and the tweezers. I already went ahead and took the weeder out because I went ahead and did a project already because I could not wait. But this is the basic toolkit for that. Next we do have the deep blade point and housing. This is that. I'm just learning about Cricut, so I really don't know what the deep point blade and housing does. I'm guessing it is for like thicker materials maybe, but this came in the kit. Show them. Okay. Alright, and then the last is the scoring stylus. This is what it looks like. Once again, I did not know this for. Oh, it says this marks folded lines on paper for easy assembly. I guess, I don't know, I have to do more research, but this is that. Okay. And then underneath, I did get some black vinyl. This is window cling. This is a window cling. So this goes in the window. This is a window cling. So I guess you can put this in your car as well. But they give us this in black. Wanna hold it, boo boo? Wanna show them? Say, ooh. I like it. Alrighty. Y'all cannot even get this out. Your girl got her nails done. I don't know if I can see it, but girl, her nails done, and I can't even. Anyways, I'm trying to get this out, y'all. I'm trying. Next, we got the 3 mats variety pack. So it comes the blue, the green, and the purple, and these are light grip mats. So we got these 3. And now, try to give it back to me, baby. You don't want it? Okay, put it back. Put it back. Y'all don't know what he put in. Okay. I know you're gonna need something to stay still, so play with this. But alright, guys, that wraps up this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Me and my baby. Me and my baby Zakai will love it. I'm actually excited to start my whole business and my apparel line. I'm so excited. And Cricut is actually pretty fun. There's so many things you can do with this machine. It's crazy. So I'm just having fun learning about it, trying new things out. If you guys have a Cricut, comment down below your favorite project that you like to do on your Cricut. So yeah. Oh yeah, your girl just hit 800 subs. So thank y'all, Queen Team. My Queen Team. Thank you, Queen Team. You got dancing. Queen Team. Thank you, Queen Team. Queen Team. So yeah, say thank you guys for supporting my mama. Thank you guys for supporting me, y'all. Y'all, it's Debbie. I'm gonna keep on talking, but yeah, that is in this video officially. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me. And yeah, bye guys. Say bye bye, Bubba. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye guys.